come into a seated posture and allow the eyes to gently close. Send a wave of loving relaxation from the top of your head, through your face, neck, shoulders, down your arms, in your hands, your chest and back, abdomen, the whole of the pelvis, buttocks, thighs, and lower legs, through the feet and out of the toes. Relax. Breathe as if breathing in and out of the heart center. Breathe in light, warm golden light, as if from a setting sun. Warm, golden, healing. We will now begin the phrases of loving kindness. Whisper these in the heart as deep, profound wishes for your own well-being. May I be happy. May I be happy. Really connecting with that noble wish for your own happiness. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be well. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be safe and protected. May I be safe and protected. May my heart and mind awaken and be free. May my heart and mind awaken and be free. And as you recite this, know that you as a human being have the capability to unfold in this very life into pure freedom, to awaken, to bloom like a flower that once was deep in darkness, but now opens to light. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May my heart and mind awaken and be free. And bringing the meditation to a close, not opening the eyes just yet, raise the hand and place it over the heart center. Feel the warmth of the hand penetrating the heart, opening it, freeing it, healing it. And say aloud, "In this world, may I find true happiness and come to complete healing."